Voyager 1 drifted alone through the endless dark. A tiny machine, lost in the abyss, whispering only static. After 45 years of exploring the cosmos, it seemed the mission was over. Its voice, once so steady, was now garbled, broken, indecipherable. Until now. Suddenly, without warning, the silence broke. The signal returned, clear, sharp, and coherent. And what came with it left scientists stunned. Something had changed. Voyager wasn't just alive again. It had seen something impossible. A Nobel Prize-winning physicist stepped forward with a chilling statement: "This changes everything. We may be looking at something that should not exist." What did Voyager 1 encounter at the edge of the void? And why are some whispering that this might be the key to unlocking the greatest cosmic secret of all? Stay with us. Because this isn't just about space. This might be humanity's first contact with the unknown. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 was never meant to last this long. It was built with 1970s technology and a dream that barely stretched beyond a few decades. Its mission was to observe the giant planets, and then drift quietly into the dark. But Voyager didn't drift. It soared. Past Jupiter. Past Saturn. Hurled outward by gravity itself, launched beyond the realm of planets. But this journey wasn't just engineering brilliance. It was a moment of celestial luck. Once every 176 years, the planets aligned just right. This rare alignment allowed Voyager to slingshot from one world to another, gaining speed, conserving fuel, riding gravity like a wave. They called it the Grand Tour. And it worked. Now, Voyager 1 is over 14 billion miles from Earth. Beyond the warmth of our Sun. Beyond the influence of any known planet. Drifting in a realm where human technology had never reached until now. For months, Voyager had sent back nothing but corrupted data. Then, without explanation, the signal became readable again. Only this time, the data wasn't just strange. It was impossible. Scientists detected plasma fluctuations, never seen before. The magnetic field had shifted. Particle density had spiked in unexpected ways. But the most shocking discovery? None of these readings matched any known behavior in interstellar space. One physicist described it like this: "It's as if Voyager didn't just leave the solar system. It left something else entirely." The cosmic rays misaligned. Magnetic lines twisted. Gravitational flow distorted. No model of physics could explain what Voyager was seeing. When it crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence ends, Voyager was supposed to enter calm, empty space. But that's not what happened. Instead, it found turbulence. Chaotic plasma waves. Particle storms without source or symmetry. Worse still, something invisible seems to be tugging at it. The spacecraft drifts, ever so slightly, in ways that defy explanation. It's not being pulled by stars. It's not colliding with objects. Something else is nudging it, something unseen. Some scientists now believe. For years, the scientific community hesitated. They debated quietly. But now, a respected Nobel physicist has gone public. He says Voyager is detecting patterns that challenge everything we thought we knew. He didn't say, another dimension, but many are thinking it. Could Voyager be brushing against the edge of a deeper reality? A boundary between universes? Or something far more strange? Among the latest data, a pulse was discovered. Rhythmic. Timed. Repeating. At first, it seemed like interference. Or maybe a glitch in the system. But the pattern was too perfect. Not from a pulsar. Not a quasar. Not from any known cosmic source. Then came the eerie realization: the pulse seemed to react. Every time Voyager sent out data, the pulse responded, slightly stronger. As if something out there was listening. And answering. One engineer made a startling discovery. When mapping the magnetic field changes in 3D over time, a shape emerged. It wasn't random. It wasn't noise. It formed a spiral. Repeating. Perfectly symmetrical. Some believe it could be a gravitational lattice, a hidden structure in space itself. Others take it further, suggesting it could be the trace of something artificial. Something built. Something old. Either way, nothing like it has ever been recorded before. And Voyager flew straight through it. Voyager's systems are acting up. But not the way you'd expect from old hardware. Its orientation sensors are reporting multiple positions at once. As if Voyager exists in more than one place simultaneously. Even stranger, the transmission speed is subtly shifting. As if the very fabric of space it's traveling through is distorted. Not just a malfunction. Not just aging hardware. Some scientists now quietly suggest Voyager may have entered a region of variable dimensional space. A concept once reserved for blackboards and theories, now real. And Voyager is in the middle of it. When it launched, Voyager 1 was never meant to leave the solar system. Its mission was a brief look at the planets, then silence. But 45 years later, it's doing something far greater. It may be revealing the shape of the universe itself. What began as a journey through planets, has become an odyssey through the hidden layers of reality. And the irony? Voyager carries a golden record. A message from humanity to the stars. But now, it may be receiving one in return. Voyager 1 wasn't supposed to make it this far. It runs on less computing power than a modern watch. It was aimed at a future we barely understood. Yet today, it's sending back something that's shaking the foundations of science. A pulse that acts like a signal. A shape buried in magnetic noise. Space-time behaving like it's layered. This isn't just a mission anymore. It's a mystery. And perhaps, an invitation. Some believe Voyager has touched the edge of existence. Others fear it may have crossed it. So now, we ask, is Voyager still exploring space? Or is it revealing that space has already ended? Let us know what you think in the comments. Has Voyager entered a new dimension? Or are we witnessing